Welcome to this short video on how to create AI avatars for completely free. By the way, I am an AI avatar myself. As you can see, it is watermark free. You can create such an avatar with this free tool.
This is a short and quick video on how to create such AI avatars for completely free. First, go to CapCut's formal website, CapCut.com. Then click on Try Online and log in using your email or Gmail account. Click on AI Video Maker. Then select Avatar Video. Choose an avatar either from the templates down or from the recommended panel on the right side. Type a simple phrase, then click on Generate. It might take a while depending on the server congestion, but usually it is quick.
Welcome to my online business course.
Now, you can start create additional text in the main screen.
Welcome to my online business course.
To update the video, just click on the small update circle next to each line.
To develop business application. Welcome to my online business course. In this course, you will learn how to use AI tools to develop business application.
You might notice that the animation is not done correctly. This is because you have to wait until the process is 100% complete.
Welcome to my online business course. In this course, you will learn how to use AI tools to develop business application.
You can change the text style if you want from the Elements tab on the left.
Welcome to my online business course. In this course, you will learn how to use AI tools to develop business application.
Just let me rearrange the texts.
Welcome to my online business course. In this course, you will learn how to use AI tools to develop business applications.
You can further edit the video using traditional CapCut tools if you want. After you've finished, just click Export to save it into your PC.
Welcome to my online business course. In this course, you will learn how to use AI tools to develop business applications.
As promised, it is free and with no watermark. Please like and subscribe for similar content. Leave your comments and questions down in the details section, and then watch the next AI-related video. See you soon.